to another episode. This is Molives here, Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. Woo, baby. If you haven't subscribed to my channel for the last 365 days, this is new to you. It's called a mystery flight. So I'm a flight attendant in the States here. We're at LAX and we're literally gonna look at this departure board. And during an Instagram live stream, you guys literally get to vote what country I fly to. Look at all these spots. Anywhere in the world. Pretty much the flight is, it's not free, but I only have to pay the taxes internationally. So I'm gonna be vlogging the whole trip, having absolutely no plans, being in a new country that I've never been to and just figuring it out, going on adventures, skydiving, scuba diving. I don't know what we're gonna get into. I have no idea where we're gonna go. So, let's get it. Hey. Istanbul, Guadalajara, Bogota, Auckland, New Zealand, Panama City, Panama, Taipei is in, Nadi, Fiji, Panama City, Panama, Taipei, Taiwan, Hong Kong, China, San Salvador, El Salvador, Beijing, China, Kapit, Tahiti, Istanbul, Turkey. Where the hell are we going? Voting lines are open. We'll leave them open for 5 minutes. Just vote, 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 vote. I'm gonna go through these again. Come on, come on, come on. Voting is closed. All right, the voting is closed. Where are we going? Where's he going? Where's he going? Counting them up now. Let's do with the text. We are going to Fiji, baby. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh snap. We're going to Fiji. Let's go. Guys, I'm so stoked. I've never been to like Southeast Asia, any of the islands over there. I've been to Australia, which is like the closest over there. But I'm super stoked. Thank you guys so much for voting for Fiji. This is gonna be insane. I gotta answer some of you guys' DMs because you guys always DM me. They're like, yo, Molives, the dopest thing to do in Fiji is... Oh my goodness. Thank you guys for those suggestions. I'm gonna try and do them, I don't know. But yeah, let's get it going to Fiji, baby. Hey, hey, we at our prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. All right, talk about taking L's already. All right, clearly you can see they took my bag because it was too heavy. And there's -2 open seats. I took all my chargers, all my computers, like, oh man, this is stressful. But I can head to the gate right now, get through security, grab a little grub, and then like as they're boarding, they'll give you your seat assignment if I get on. This is gonna be tough. This is gonna be very stressful. We're gonna cut it close. Hopefully we get on.
Ariana, Popek Eloise, Jensen Cynthia, party of 2. John's Michael, party of 2.
I'm literally out here in the non-rev penalty box, waiting to get my number called. Guys, if I don't make this flight, then I also have a choice. I could go to New Zealand on American in like 2 hours, and then take another flight to Fiji from there. But the thing is like, that's all my stuff. Like, I would have to get my bag, go to Terminal 4, try and list for the flight, try and get on, try and get cleared and stuff. We gotta just get on this, you know?
Our business class board members.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Matt. Welcome to the island of Fiji. Let's go. Oh my goodness, guys, we're at the hostel right now. There was a free shuttle from the airport that literally just drove a bunch of backpackers over here, so I'm like, I guess I'm gonna drive over here. And also there was a little suggestion from a couple of people that were DMing me. Appreciate that, guys. Damn, getting some Hawaii vibes. It's humid, it's gorgeous. About to have a sick time. On the plane, I was checking out all this stuff. This is like the #1 place for like scuba diving, snorkeling. I'm gonna try and do some skydiving out here. I think I wanna stay for like a week. It's their summer, so. Hey. All right, we good to go? All right. Oh, I see you rocking the Gucci flip-flops, yep. Huh? Oh, the Gucci's. Is that a puppy? Puppy? What's up, dude? What a happy pup. Oh my goodness. Check it out. I presume this is not gonna be my final stop. I'll probably be here for one night tops, to be honest, just by the looks of it. But you know, at the same time, it'll be good. I'm gonna get my bearings, chill out. We're gonna do a little bit of research. You know, your boy's trying to scuba dive with sharks. I'm trying to jump out of airplanes out here. And I mean, it's 7 a.m. day one, so, you know, I think we're gonna have a good time.
Morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
I'm good man. And you bad man or good man?
I'm a good man, I'm a good man.
Where are you from?
I'm from Rhode Island, near Boston, America.
Oh, you're very nice people, Americans.
Of course, of course.
I
Thank you,
love
man.
Americans. I met about 3 girls this morning.
Oh, did you? Hey, my man,
And
hey.
yesterday about 7 people from Santa Monica.
Oh, no way.
I am climbing the coconut tree
Yeah,
and I dropped the orange coconut. Orange?
yeah.
You know orange?
Orange?
Orange coconut.
Orange coconuts? No.
And they're drinking this morning.
No way.
Yeah.
Can I get some? Where they at, man?
How long for Fiji?
Probably like a week.
Oh.
Chilling with the guy Johnny.
I look after my family only by selling coconut every day.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Every day. Yesterday, a man from America, he came here for the coconut. Can I have? I said, yeah, drink. He said, you have a family? I said, children, wife, grandchildren. He said, don't worry. And one man gave me 20 American. He said, buy some food for children. I said, okay, thank you very much.
It's not a true mystery flight until, you know, your boy Molives shows up to the hostel. And first thing that happens is your boy gets scammed. The guy, he was a nice guy, you know, trying to make a living. And I threw him a couple bucks, you know. It's actually funny, I give him $2. And then he's like, oh, it's actually, I sell these for $5. And I was like, see you later, bud. So it's all good. He kind of took it. But, you know, we're out here kind of vibing. You know, we're chilling out here at the hostel. So I actually booked a bull shark dive tomorrow. Literally, you're gonna be feeding bull sharks. Now, bull sharks are literally the most dangerous, like, predatorial sharks in the species. But, you know, it's what we do, you know? I met a couple friends out here. Yes, mom, you know, I'm making friends, you know, even though I'm out here talking to myself in the middle of an island. What is up, guys? What's going on? All right, guys, introduce yourself to 10 million people. This is Dennis. This is Jen.
Hi.
They're Instagram's newest travel couple. Sorry.
Maybe.
I'm sorry,
Probably.
what? Are we?
So how's the water?
Woo! It's f***ing hot, man. It's like a jacuzzi out there. Alright guys, I know this isn't, you know, that blue ass water we were talking about, but trust me, we're gonna get to it at some point. But like I said, we're going bull shark diving tomorrow. I don't know, have you ever done that, bro?
I've never dove with bull sharks. I've dove, but I've never dove with
I've dove in pools. I've dove.
I've done a whole little scuba diving. I'm not getting anywhere near a bull shark.
Why not?
Because they're it scared the shit out of me.
You big Shark Week expert, eh?
Yeah. I watch Shark Week from my couch. I'm a couch diver. during
yeah,
Shark Week.
couch diver.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I'm not going near those bull sharks.
Yeah, and then you dove into Jen's DMs 4 years ago too.
Yeah.
That's actually super accurate.
Oh, no way, actually?
Tinder couple.
Oh, okay. Oh man, guys, this is day one of a 6-month trip around the world. Be sure to follow them at
Swapping snow for sand.
Swapping Snow for Sand. This is a nut.
Yes,
This
that's
is
a Fiji nut.
A Fiji nut.
Yes.
This is a big nut. Usually
Yes.
my peanuts, cashews are pretty small.
Yes.
Where I'm from, but
There you go. Tomorrow, 7:15 in front.
not
You
very
like
good.
it?
I know. What is it?
It's a nut.
It's not a nut.
That's a Fiji nut.
I don't know.
You cook it overnight, like 3 hours.
Oh, so we should.
They have a big shell.
We needed to cook this.
Yes, you have to cook it. Cook it for more than 1.5 hours.
Oh man, guys, what a crazy first day here in Fiji. It's been dope. It's been only day one, but we're gonna have a crazy more times. Trying to scuba dive with sharks tomorrow, so stay tuned for that next episode. And yeah, if you guys aren't part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash the like on this video, and you guys know what to do. This is Mom's TV. Smash that like button, and let's fly, baby.
Suicide, yeah, they're never on my side, yeah, I'd rather hang inside, yeah.